In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and utilize Google Drive and Google Calendar for enhancing your productivity and organization. Let's dive right in and explore how to make the most out of these tools. First, let's start by heading over to Google Drive. If you haven't done so already, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once there, log in with your Google account credentials, as this login will grant you access to all Google services seamlessly. Now that you're in Google Drive, your next step is to access Google Calendar. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Google Apps grid, which looks like 9 small dots. Click on it and then select Calendar from the list of apps. This is your gateway to keeping track of your time and commitments. Once Google Calendar is open, you have the opportunity to create a new calendar. Look on the left-hand panel for other calendars. Click on the plus icon next to it and select Create New Calendar. At this point, give your calendar a unique name, add a description if you'd like, and set your preferred time zone. Once all this information has been filled in, select Create Calendar. There you go. You've just set up a new calendar that you can share and personalize according to your needs. Now you're ready to start adding events. You can do this by clicking the Create button found at the top left, or simply double-clicking a desired date on your calendar. Fill out all relevant details, starting with the title, which could be anything from a meeting to a project deadline, an all-day event, or specifying a particular time. Don't forget to add a location, especially if there's a venue to get to. Detailed descriptions and notes are also helpful here, so be sure to add those. For seamless collaboration, attach any related documents from Google Drive, such as presentations or notes. You can also invite others by adding their email addresses in the Guests section. Once everything is in place, hit Save to add the event to your calendar. Sharing and collaborating on your calendar is straightforward. In the sidebar, find your calendar and click on the 3 dots, then select Settings and Sharing. Here, under Share with Specific People, you can enter the email addresses of the people you wish to share the calendar with. Choose their permission level, whether it's viewing availability, seeing all details, or making changes. Click Send to invite them. Finally, while your calendar doesn't sit directly within Google Drive, you can still incorporate calendar items into your Drive files, use Drive to attach documents to calendar invites, and vice versa. You can access the Calendar app from within Google Drive through the Apps menu. Following these steps will greatly enhance the way you navigate your schedules and streamline your workflow within Google's ecosystem. Good luck, and I hope you find these insights useful for mastering your digital organization.